Hey, Martina here. I've been overwhelmed. I've been stuck. I've been caught in a loop of feeling that I just can't get it all done. That I worked for years to figure out how to get out from under all of that chaos. And I developed a repeatable system that I can now teach. I have now a sustainable business that is expanding. I have a relationship with my wonderful family. I trim my own bonsai. Now I have the most valuable thing of all, time freedom. Time freedom to use as I wish, to build more, to enjoy more, to live more. I'm going to teach the strategies and the methodologies that I use in a workshop on October 17th at the Hampton Inn in Hoffman Estates. You'll see whiteboarding in action with real people. The event bright link is below for your ticket. Now, having too much to do isn't a reason to stop you from this event. Join me Tuesday night, October 17th, and you'll leave with your own customized, personalized plan for your time freedom. I'll see you there.